Okay, so I'm a lot late. Yeah, you can see the time. And yeah, I guess I need to get started. So I'll try to finish up 3 and 4. And yeah, I guess that's all. चलो खत्म करते हैं. Okay, guys. So here's the thing that I jump skipped like most of the unit 3 video क्योंकि वहाँ पे कुछ नया नहीं था एकदम. Yeah, the animations were good and all, but it was nothing I learned. Okay, क्योंकि कुछ नया नहीं था. And so I skipped and started unit 6 and इसको जल्दी जल्दी हम लोग ख़त्म करेंगे. चलो. Okay, you might have seen like a 5-second clip, but here's the thing, guys. Actually, that was a 5-minute time lapse of 60 seconds mean each 1 minute. This was very easy, like very easy. Like I have already completed this in AP Physics C, and yeah, I think that's the main reason why I could finish it so quick. And yeah, 4 is left, 5 is left too. And I guess I will be done with AP Physics 1, and that's all I guess for this. And here are my thoughts on AP Physics. So the thing is, it's very easy. Yeah, honestly, I really think that it's very easy. AP Physics 1 and AP Physics C, the things which I'm doing are very easy compared to what we study in our normal CBC board. And yeah, if you are someone who has like targeted JEE or know how tough JEE questions can be, these questions are going to be nothing to you. And I will be showing you like I will be doing a live test on EP Physics 1, I guess, and I will show you how much I rank, like how much I score. And till then, I guess that's all for this video. In case you have any doubts regarding EP, in college admissions, etc., feel free to comment them out in the comments. And I guess that's all. अभी के लिए इतना कहना था, and I'll see you next time. अभी के लिए अलविदा. Okay, by the way, guys, I think I have I'm on day 12 today, and मेरे बस ये सारे units बाकी हैं. And this is going to take like 1 day. This is also going to take like 1 hour actually. 1 hour. This is around hour respective, yeah. And this is going to take, I will say 4 hours. Okay. Anyways, psychology and calculus are something I really need to like hear it from here because the syllabus is entirely different. So I guess yeah, that's all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18. So 18 more days. And today we are on like day 12. So I guess that's all. So that makes it 30. So technically, instead of like finishing up in 3 months, like 90 days, AP Physics, the course can be itself completed in like 30 days if I'm not very wrong. And yeah, I guess that's all for this. अभी के लिए इतना कहना था, and subscribe to my channel and like this video if you want to show support on this challenge. I'll see you next time. अभी के लिए अलविदा.